I've earned over $6,000 using the apps and websites I'll be showing you today, and you can easily earn over $1,000 per week if you follow the steps shared in this video. Stay tuned until the end. Like this video, and let's start with the first step. Begin by visiting MyLead. Even if you already know about it, don't click off just yet, because I'll share a completely new method that helped me earn 5,700 euros, over $6,000, in the last 2 months. MyLead is a global affiliate marketing platform with a new publisher panel, an offer wall tool that works for both beginners and advanced users. It's accessible worldwide, so you can start earning regardless of your location. Comment your country name below if you'd like me to create more location-specific videos for you. To get started with MyLead, click the link in the video description or the pinned comment and hit the Join the Best button. This will take you to the registration page where you'll need to create a username, provide your email, and set up a strong password. Check the privacy policy and terms of service boxes, then click Start your free registration. MyLead will send you a token key via email. Copy it, paste it into the registration page, and activate your account. Next, fill in some basic details about yourself. Leave the account type as private unless you're registering as a company, and complete your registration. Once done, log into your new MyLead account, and your dashboard will be ready to explore. The next step is to head over to the Google Play Store and search for online earnings. You'll find numerous apps, including some I've covered on this channel. Let's take the EarnWeb app as an example. It has over 50,000 downloads and allows users to earn by completing surveys, playing games, and installing apps. While users earn small amounts for their tasks, the app owners make significant passive income by integrating platforms like MyLead. For instance, if a user earns $60 for completing a task, the app owner might earn an additional $20 to $60 from MyLead. It's a win-win situation for both users and app owners. You too can create or own an app to integrate MyLead's offer wall, allowing you to earn similar passive income. Once you understand how this system works, return to the MyLead dashboard to explore 2 main earning methods. The first involves affiliate marketing. Click Affiliate Marketing on the left, select Affiliate Campaign, and you'll find various offers to promote. MyLead collaborates with top advertisers, offering high-paying affiliate deals. For example, promoting one offer might earn you $1, while another could pay $9 or more. Use filters to narrow your search by category, conversion type, country, or device, and select offers that best fit your audience. Click on an offer to see details, such as CPA terms, target countries, and allowed traffic sources. Once set, promote your affiliate link on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or LinkedIn for free. The second method is MyLead's Offer Wall Rewards, a feature that earned me over $6,000. Offer walls allow users to complete surveys, download apps, or perform specific tasks in exchange for points, which can be converted into cash or gift cards. To set up an offer wall, click the tool's Greater Than Offer Wall. Rewards on the left and follow the customization options. You can name your offer wall, link it to your app or website, set point values, and choose the types of offers to display. You can also customize the theme, colors, and logo to match your app. Once configured, add the offer wall to your app or website by embedding the provided site code. If you don't own an app or website, you can easily get one made. Platforms like Fiverr offer professional services to create apps with offer wall integration for a few $100s. When hiring, ensure the app includes the ability to embed offer walls. Once your app is ready, promote it on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, and Pinterest to attract users. With consistent effort, you can generate significant passive income every month. Finally, if you'd like me to showcase the app that helped me earn over $6,000, help this video reach 4,000 likes. I'll create a detailed tutorial on my secret app, sharing all the stats and strategies. Don't forget to use the link in the description to sign up for MyLead and start earning today. Thank you for watching.